So I just got back from the Spectrum and I got 2 squishies from TUTU Fun. So first I'm opening this pineapple bun. It's supposed to be like crunchy. Whoa. Wait. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like beads in it. Okay. So the next squishy I'm opening is this like slushy ball. Whoa. That's so nice. That feels so good.
Which one do you want next, or any other on your list? Others on your list?
Well, the only other one I want is like the cheese, the Vaseline cheese, but other than that,